sa fiber na ito, 20 millimeters from the top. Yun mismo, ito kailangan natin yung stress in this fiber. Eh, ano ang distance niya from the neutral axis? That is what we need. Kung say 20 mm, ito ngayon ang kailangan natin. Yung distance na yan. Yung Y. Ano ang Y? So, ano ang Y natin? Dahil ito ang kailangan nating the stress in this fiber. Yan. Na 20 mm daw from the top. So this H is 75 minus 20. Ayan. Ano ang H? Kung itong total niya kasi ay 75. It is 55. Tama. 55 nga. 75 minus 20. Yan. We already have H. Ano ang ating formulang kailangan? The flexure stress daw 20 mm ng fiber na yon. So we need is My over I, yung general formula. Y we already have. How about the moment at that point? Dito daw yon. Kailangan nating malaman yung moment. Kung ito'y 6 meters, doon lang daw sa 2 meters from the free end. Sabi dyan, compute the magnitude and location. No. Determine the type and magnitude of the stress in a fiber 20 millimeters from the top of the beam at a section 2 meters from the free end. So dito daw sa section na ito, if this is A, ito B, let us call this section C, point C. Dahil yung 2 meters from the free end, 2 meters, kailangan natin yung moment at that point. Yan. Moment at 2 meters. So, paano yon? We consider only this, the load here. Ang tawag natin doon, let us call it F prime. Ano ang F prime? Eh, ang alam lang natin, ito'y 1,000 Newton per meter. So, hindi natin alam yan. Let us call it D. Yan. Para makuha natin itong area na ito. F prime is 1/2 times 2 times D. But we have to know D.
Nandun na ang pagkain.
Yan ang kumilos ng mouse. Yan, ano ang ating F prime is yung ating, hanapin natin yung relationship between D at saka ito. Find D. So D is to 2 as 1,000 is to 6. So what is D? Cross multiplication, 2,000 over 6. D is 2,000 divided by 6. 333.33. So, yun yun. Nakuha natin yung A. Balikan natin itong ating F prime. Is 1 half times 2 times 333.33. So, makakancel yun. Magiging 333.33 na lang. Ngayon, ang kailangan natin is the moment. Dito, moment at this point. And the moment doon, 2 meters. Which is, so ang moment doon, 2 meters, ay F prime times 1/3 of 2. Dahil yung distance niya is 2 over 1/3 of 2. Ay di 2 over 3. Diba? 1/3 of 2. Kaya 2 over 3. So M to M is F333.33 times 2 over 3. Yan nga natin. Two, two, two. Yan nga, if we will be using that, the stress 2 meters. Is M y over I. Pero anong I natin muna? I na rectangle is PH cubed over 12. Kuhanin muna natin ito. B is ito ay 50. Tapos 150 ang depth. So, 0.05 times 0.15 cube over 12. So, anong ating I? One point 40625 times 10 to the negative 5 meter to the fourth. To the fourth yun. Ang y natin, y is, we already have y. Yung distance is na-identify natin kanina. 75 minus 20. Yung y ito, y. Hindi h. Y. Is 75 minus 20. 55 mm or 0.055 of a meter. Diba? 55 divided by in meter na. Ang M natin 222.22. So the flexure stress 2 meters is 222.22 times 1 times ano siya, y 0.055 divided by 1.40625 times 10 to the negative 5. Eight six nine is 869.127 kilonewton per meter square. Dahil yun ay 869,127 newton per meter square. So, rounding it off, so it is 869 kilo Pascal. That is the answer given in the book. Yung sa letter B, 869. So, very specific yung stress na pinakuha. Doon daw sa at a fiber 2 meter from the top at a section 2 meters from the free end. Ito. So we were able to do that. Iisa-isahin talaga. No? Isa-isahin. We will get this. Okay, naintindihan nyo naman? Class? Okay, so mamaya ibibigay ko ulit ang assignment. Mamaya session ko na lang mamaya. Assignment. Okay, so you can copy that. Okay na, nakopyan nyo na? Ha? Screenshot nyo na. Okay, I will stop my sharing. Okay na?